I'm reviewing this hair care serum. Hi guys, my today's video is for people who are totally obsessed with super glossy shiny hair or who are totally fed up of frizz in their hair. Because I'm reviewing this hair care serum. This is called Color Wow Pop and Lock High Gloss Finish. Guys, this is an anti-frizz serum suitable for any kind of hair. You can use it in two ways, one on damp hair and one on dry hair. Typically when my hair are damp, I've just come out of the shower, I tend to have a lot of breakage while I'm still like detangling my hair. So that time I use it more like a detangler. So when my hair are still damp, I would use this and then just like try and tangle them with a white toothed comb. That way I feel my hair break less and my the detangling time is really less. Otherwise it's a struggle. Just like my hair are very thin, very fine, so they do get matted every time I shampoo them. The other way I like to use them is like when my hair are dry, nice, and I'm heading out, and typically because I have a lot of coloring done and I use a lot of heat products, my dry my hair ends, the tips of the hair, as you can see, they are quite dry as compared to the the remaining section of hair. So I also tend to apply some just before heading out. I would take some on my hand, nicely slather it towards the hair tips, not so much on the length. So that way I feel instantly my hair look little more lubricated, shiny, glossy, just like little more healthy, because otherwise they do tend to get frizzy, especially during the winter months, or let's say if it's raining, then because of humidity again I do have a lot of frizz. Yes, this is paraben free, alcohol free, no sulfates whatsoever, as well as vegan. Alright guys, see you again. Bye bye.